Designers today are at the forefront of innovation and problem solving, addressing critical issues such as sustainability, inclusivity, and ethical implications of technological advancements. As the world changes, so too does the role of design, requiring us to be more adaptable, responsible, and forward-thinking than ever before. Designers are now tackling some of the most pressing global challenges, such as climate change, resource scarcity, and social inequity. With the rise of new tools and methodologies, we must ask ourselves how we can ensure that design benefits everyone, not just a select few. How can we harness technology to improve lives without compromising ethics or sustainability? The answers to these questions lie in existing and emerging trends that are shaping the future of our field. Artificial intelligence, or AI, augmented and virtual reality, sustainability-driven design, and speculative design. These trends are not only pushing the boundaries of what is possible, but also redefining how we think and interact. Augmented and virtual reality are transforming how we experience and interact with design, offering immersive environments that blend digital and physical realities. Whether it's through virtual fitting rooms in retail, interactive museum exhibitions, or architectural walkthroughs, AR and VR is creating entirely new ways for people to engage with spaces and products. Designers are at the forefront of shaping these experiences, combining aesthetics with user experience and technological innovation. The ability to design for both digital and physical spaces simultaneously presents new opportunities to enhance accessibility, storytelling, and interactivity. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing design by automating processes, generating ideas, and analyzing data in ways that was previously unimaginable. AI-powered tools can assist with layout generation, predictive analytics, and even content creation, allowing designers to focus on strategic and conceptual work. However, as AI continues to integrate into the creative process, ethical questions arise. Who owns AI-generated work? How do we prevent biases in algorithm-driven designs? Christina Su, a futurist and advocate for ethical AI, encourages us to approach AI with a critical eye, ensuring that it serves as a tool for inclusivity and equity rather than perpetuating existing inequalities. The challenge for future designers is not just mastering AI, but understanding its broader implications and ensuring that it aligns with human values. Artificial intelligence presents incredible opportunities for design and innovation, but it's important to acknowledge the potential downsides, particularly its impact on the environment. One major concern is the energy consumption of AI. Training machine learning models, especially deep learning algorithms, requires vast amounts of computational power, often running on energy-intensive data centers. These data centers, filled with high-performance servers, demand constant cooling and uninterrupted power supplies, which are contributing to substantial carbon emissions. Studies estimate that training a single AI model can generate as much carbon dioxide as 5 cars over their entire lifetimes. This raises ethical questions for designers and developers about the sustainability of AI-driven solutions. Are we trading short-term efficiency for long-term environmental harm? Another issue is electronic waste. As AI technology rapidly evolves, the hardware that supports it, whether it's GPUs, specialized AI processors, or entire server farms, become obsolete at an alarming rate. This results in an increase in electronic waste, much of which contains hazardous materials that can be harmful if not properly recycled or disposed of. The push for smarter, faster AI often leads to a cycle of consumption that isn't sustainable in the long run. There's also an issue of resource extraction. The manufacturing of AI hardware requires rare earth minerals such as lithium and cobalt, which are often sourced from environmentally destructive mining operations. These processes can devastate ecosystems, pollute water sources, and contribute to social injustices in mining communities around the world. Despite these environmental concerns, AI can also be a part of the solution. When used responsibly, AI has the potential to optimize energy consumption in industries, streamline supply chains to reduce waste, and even aid in the development of more sustainable materials and practices. The challenge for designers moving forward is to strike a balance, leveraging AI's capabilities while being mindful of its ecological footprint. As we integrate AI into design processes, we must ask ourselves, Are we using it in ways that contribute to a more sustainable future? Can we push for cleaner energy sources to power our innovations? These are the kinds of critical questions that will shape the responsible use of AI in the days, weeks, and years to come. Sustainability remains a cornerstone of contemporary design, and its importance only grows in the future. As the effects of climate change become more pronounced, designers are tasked with creating solutions that minimize environmental impact and promote sustainability at every level. From material innovation to circular design systems, the focus is on reducing waste, using renewable resources, and designing for longevity rather than disposability. Designer Dan Rosgaard is leading the way with projects such as the Smog-Free Tower, which not only serves as an art installation, but actively purifies the air in urban environments. His work showcases how sustainability and design can intersect to create functional, beautiful, and impactful solutions that address real-world issues. Speculative design allows us to explore and imagine possible futures, pushing the boundaries of traditional design by asking what-if questions. It challenges us to envision alternative realities, encouraging designers to think about how future societies might function and what role design will play in them. Speculative design is not just about creating futuristic aesthetics, it's a tool for critical thinking, helping us anticipate the ethical, social, and environmental consequences of our choices today. By designing for hypothetical scenarios, such a world without natural resources or a future where AI makes all design decisions, speculative design helps prepare us for the unknown and develop solutions before challenges become crises. Lastly, an essential aspect of the future of design is human-centered design. As technology continues to advance and shape our world, it's crucial to remember that design is ultimately about people. Human-centered design places the needs, experiences, and emotions of individuals at the core of the creative process. It's about ensuring that solutions are innovative, inclusive, and meaningful to the people who use them. Human-centered design encourages empathy-driven problem solving by involving users in the design process from the beginning. It requires designers to step into the shoes of their audience, whether they're designing for a diverse global market, individuals with disabilities, or communities facing societal challenges. This approach ensures that the final product, service, or system genuinely enhances lives rather than being another piece of technology for the sake of innovation. A great example of human-centered design in action is IDEO's work in healthcare and education, where they've co-created solutions alongside real users to ensure accessibility and effectiveness. Another example is Apple's design philosophy, which prioritizes user experience through intuitive interfaces and seamless interactions. Whether it's designing accessible apps, ergonomic workspaces, or sustainable packaging, the focus remains on how people will interact with and benefit from the design. Human-centered design also plays a crucial role in shaping the ethical use of emerging technologies. As we continue to develop AI, AR, VR, and other cutting-edge innovations, it's essential to ask questions like, how does this technology impact human behavior? Does it empower users or create barriers? Are we designing with empathy, or are we prioritizing profit and efficiency over real human needs? The future of design will require designers to adopt a holistic approach, balancing technological advancements with a deep understanding of human behavior, psychology, and social dynamics. By embracing human-centered design, we can create more inclusive, equitable, and impactful solutions that address the complexities of our ever-changing world. At the end of the day, design is about making the world better for people, and human-centered design ensures that we stay grounded in that mission, no matter how advanced our tools become. As we look toward the future, it's clear that designers will need to embrace interdisciplinary collaboration, working alongside scientists, engineers, policymakers, and technologists to create holistic solutions to global challenges. No longer confined to a single discipline, contemporary designers must be adaptable, curious, and willing to continuously learn new skills. Ethical considerations will also play a crucial role in design moving forward. Whether it's ensuring inclusivity in AI-driven designs or considering the environmental impact of a product, designers have a responsibility to create with intention and integrity. The future of design presents endless possibilities, but it also demands thoughtful consideration of how we innovate responsibly. The choices we make as designers have a lasting impact on society, culture, and the environment. The challenge moving forward is to balance creativity with responsibility, embracing new technologies and ideas while remaining mindful of their broader implications.